These 5 settings I'm about to show you right now might be holding your channel back, whether you are a new creator or you've been on YouTube for a very long time. So what I'm about to show you here is practical, so you will understand that there are some features on YouTube that you need to set very well for proper optimization of your channel, so that YouTube can fully understand who your videos or who your contents are meant for. So I created this particular channel few months ago, and I post sometimes once in a month, once in 2 months, once in 3 months. Before I made an upload last week, I decided to look at the channel again and they check everything, and I understood that these 5 settings you need to master it, and follow me as I'm going to walk you through how to turn them off and add some important features that will make your channel and your videos to meet the right audience and they get recommended fully. So let me show you something. So this is the channel. If you watch, you will see first 62 days. This is the 3 recent videos on the channel. The one that got 21 views is 46 days ago. If you are a new YouTuber, you will understand that as you created your channel and you are making your upload, you will be having low views. It's very normal. It's very okay to have low views at the beginning stage of your YouTube channel. That is to show you that YouTube is process and you need to give it time. On this particular channel, the reason why is as if the views are slow is because I post once in 2 months. It's an AI faceless channel, so I post once in a while here on this particular channel because I'm growing it and I want to use it and learn something. It is actually for an experiment. So after reviewing the channel and these settings again, then I uploaded this video 4 days ago. The video got 1.5k views. This is the only thing I need to go viral on YouTube. Even as we are talking, is now 1.6k views. Are you seeing the arrows are pointing up, meaning that the video is doing well. YouTube is pushing it to more people. If you click on the analytics of the video, you will see YouTube recommendation. For the fact that YouTube have started recommending your videos, it means that they have understood what your channel is all about to some extent. The next video I'll be posting here, is it going to flop? No. Is it going to do well? Maybe. But I am 100% sure that my next video will not flop because I already know what to post. If you are growing, pay attention to your first 1k views and know where the traffic source is coming from. It is better the algorithm understand you organically than you trying to force your content on people that are not interested in watching it. Look at the second video I posted before posting this one that got 1.5k views. If you look at this one, you see that all the arrows are pointing down. It doesn't mean that it's a bad video or it's a bad content, but YouTube has not fully understand what the channel is all about when I posted it. Now, when you go to the reach, you will see suggested video. The 21 views the video got is not from the YouTube recommendation that is pushing it to people's feed. If someone finished watching a particular content that YouTube feels like both of them are similar, they will now bring this one for them to watch. And for this to have 21 views, which means most people are not clicking it. So you have to improve the topic, the thumbnail, and the content before you post another one. Everything on YouTube is strategy. You don't go viral by mistake. Something is actually pushing it. Study that thing and double down on it. That is your own strategy. So here are the 5 settings reviews that I did. First of all, use Google Chrome studio.youtube.com. You go to settings. If you go to settings, the first thing that you will do is to go to this channel. Under general, you will see channel. You click on this channel. Then you update your channel keywords. All these things, I know it, but I've not actually updated them. I'm just posting, checking if YouTube can just understand who the channels are meant for. If you don't know how to get the right tags to put here, so that particular niche that you are into, summarize your channel in just 1 or 2 keywords. Use that particular keywords and they generate tags that are related to that channel. It is very important. Do not add plenty keywords. If you watch here, you will see content creation, AI for content creation. Yeah, you will know that this particular channel is going to be talking about content creation, AI, and YouTube automation. Are you getting my point? There is nothing like adding too many things and irrelevant things that doesn't matter. This feature is very important. It will automatically send YouTube a signal and give YouTube a clue that this is the target audience this particular channel is looking for. Even if you already added some keywords, look at them again Remove the ones that are not relevant and make it few and relevant. The fewer the better. Instead of you to add more things, you look for things to remove. That is how to actually grow faster on YouTube. After that, you see this number 2 is very, very important. You go to advanced settings. You see this not meant for keys. Put your channel here at not meant for keys, like permanently on your channel. Not meant for keys. If you don't put it permanently, YouTube will be asking you the question every time you want to upload a video. Sometimes you might forget to check no, and sometimes you might want to check no, you will mistakenly check yes. So that thing can destroy the views of your channel, because if you are creating content that everybody can watch and you mistakenly said yes, it is meant for kids, that particular video, YouTube will not push it to anybody that is above 15 years. It will be giving it to 14 years and below. No matter how simple or how irrelevant you feel this particular settings is, it is very, very important, because if you don't set it very well, anytime you want to make an upload, the two box will be unchecked. So you will now decide to check yes or no. Sometimes you will forget, sometimes you will do mistake. So come to your channel settings and put it permanently on no, so that YouTube will not be asking you every time you want to upload a video. Only check yes if you are making children content, like nursery rhymes, all those type of videos, you know that it is mainly for kids. That is when you can check yes. Stop second guessing. Stop saying things like, maybe children might like it, let me put it. No. Just use no, unless you are making kids content. Number 3 is this settings that said publish to subscription feed and notify my subscribers. Anytime you're uploading your video through Google Chrome, YouTube will bring out this feature for you, if they should publish that video to your subscribers and notify your subscribers. I've made a comprehensive video about this particular feature before. I got so many questions in the comment section of that particular video, and I decided it is very okay for me to still throw more light on this particular feature on YouTube. Now, this is the clarity. This is how to use this particular feature. Now, firstly, if you are a new YouTuber, you have 0 subscribers, 0 followers, you don't have anybody following you, nobody is engaging in your videos, you are still trying to find your path, you don't have any subscriber, so there is no point to say send to my subscribers and notify them. There is nobody to notify. You don't have any subscribers, so uncheck it and start posting. Then if you now start having subscribers, you can now be ticking that particular feature, publish and notify my subscribers. With that, since you have already have people that are engaging in your content, no matter how little they are, YouTube will understand that, okay, let me show these people the video first and notify them that you have posted. Though they don't send that notification like that again, everything is now by viewers watch history. But at least your subscribers will see the video, they will watch. If you have subscribers already that always engage in your content anytime you post a video, and now you just want to try out a new topic, you are skeptical if your subscribers will engage or not on that particular topic, like it is not that much related to the particular videos they normally love to watch, then while uploading that video, you can uncheck this, so that YouTube can actually try different new audience to see how they are going to react to the videos. Because the first 1 hour, 2 hours, and the 3 hours of you publishing that video holds a very strong percentage of the performance of that video. I've seen cases where someone upload a video and the video start doing well after 2 or 3 months, but it happens once in a while. But most of the times, the first 3 to 4 hours determines what will happen to that video. That is how to use this particular feature in order not to confuse yourself. This is just for clarity purpose. Then number 4 is authored content. You see this feature. This feature is very, very important, significant. Any adjective that you use and qualify it. The other time I spoke about this particular authored content, I talk about it in a way that if your channel is an AI channel and you are not selecting yes that it is an authored content, that it can lead to demonetization. Now, I am talking about it in the aspect of channel growth and views, and YouTube understanding who your channel are meant for. If you are creating an AI videos, AI automation, you are generating pictures, generating voiceover, generating images, generating videos, it is advised that you click yes. It is an altered content. It is never going to affect your views. YouTube will still push your video, you will still monetize, you will still get paid. But to just tell them that this video is an altered content. Now, it is different from using some AI generated clips maybe to attach on your videos, because if you watch my recent videos, you will see some animations I normally flash, or sometimes I will generate a video of myself using AI and just flash it on the screen for me to give the accurate visual expression of what I'm explaining. In this case, I'm not going to click it is an altered content, because this is a talking head. This type of content I'm making, that is what they call it, talking head. Like you are speaking to camera and you are speaking to people, you are connecting with people. I am the content. I am my content. Do you get? So what I use is just a flash of AI to do illustration. But if you know that your content is 100%, 90%, 80% AI, choose yes that it is an altered content. Now the last one, which is number 5, still go back to settings. Then if you go to settings, you go to upload default, then you will see channel category. This one is very, very important, but most people neglect it. Anytime you want to upload your video, YouTube will ask you the category of that particular content in those options that they will bring out for you while uploading your videos. It is important for you to set it permanently on your channel. Look at what happens. Most times, whenever you are uploading video, you might be in a haste. The same thing that happens with not meant for kids, it can equally happen here. You might be in a haste to upload and you forget to include your channel category. If you're making educational content, YouTube might leave the category of your channel at cars and vehicles or comedy. There is another one that is more of a default for them, people and blog. YouTube might leave your content, your educational content, your entertainment content at people and blog, and you will upload your videos like that. And the one thing about YouTube, anytime that you have uploaded your video, coming back to that video to come and be making changes again is 50-50. So it's better, before you click on that publish button, make sure that everything is accurate before you post. You don't expect a good result for the work that you did not do. I don't know if you're getting my point. Most of the creators don't want to do the work. They just want to see results. Most people that come to my class, once you come with that, when am I going to monetize? When am I going to monetize? When is them monetizing me? How much are they paying? Once I notice that, I will stop replying you. Put in the work first. People spend 10 hours, 15 hours on their channel trying to figure out things, uploading, reading their analytics, studying things, designing thumbnails, doing things, pushing the work. You just come, post video anytime you feel like posting, and you will think that magic will happen. Don't expect result for the work that you did not do. I know most people will be like, is it 1.5k views that you got? That's why that 1.5k views for a new channel is a breakthrough for me, for that particular channel. Because anytime I'm growing a channel, what I'm always praying for is the first breakthrough video, the signal, that first signal. Once I get that first signal, that first lead video, forget it. From 1.5k, it enter 1.6k. That means YouTube is pushing the video, they are recommending it, and people are liking it. So what am I going to do? Go back, study that video, and know the strategy that is pushing it. Stick with that strategy. Anything that is working, you stick to it. That is how to grow on YouTube. These are the 5 settings I did that changed that channel from having 21 views to start having thousands of views on the video I posted 4 days ago. Most times, some people will have 200 views on their channel. They will be like, this video just got 200 views. I am having 200 views. But to me, it's like, so 200 people has watched my video. Wow. That means there is hope. It's just a mentality something. You have to start thinking positive anytime you are growing your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for people that are seeing me for the first time. My name is Jazzy, and I am a creator for the creators. I am here to teach you YouTube like an 8-year-old baby, so that you will understand it very well. If that interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, so that YouTube can equally show it to other people that needs it. Do not forget to follow me across all social media platforms at Jazzy Nation 1. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.